Kentucky, Veronica's life has always had a soundtrack. She started singing at just 2.5 years old, thanks to her mom, Gail Miller, a voice teacher with 35 years of experience, and her dad, Ronnie Miller, who sang for years with the Littleton Boys Southern Gospel Group. With music in her blood and faith in her heart, Veronica grew up surrounded by harmonies, hymns, and a whole lot of love. Ladies and gentlemen, Veronica Hayden.
Oh, say